let's look at Gregory series visually. Okay, so basically what we are interested in is pi by 4. Remember? So let's say we point it out. So 1 comma, because that is what tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4. So pi by 4. So what we want to do is, using the Gregory series, get closer and closer to this point, right? And this point is 0.785398163397 and on it goes. So let's see how we can do that. Remember the Gregory series? We have 1, right, minus x cube by 3. So we have, now how do I figure out the distance? So let's do one more thing. Let's draw a line. X is equal to 1, right? So we will clearly know how far from this intersection are we to A, right? Now, instead of saying 1 minus x cube by 3 plus x to the power of pi by 5, what I'll do is I'll say f of x plus x to the power of 5 by 5. Automatically it picks up f of x, right? Now if we zoom in, you will notice that we have got closer to A. Remember, this is f of x, this is g of x. Now let's add one more term. So g of x minus x to the power of 7 by 7. So we have got closer still. I'll keep zooming. H of x, let's add one more term, x to the power of 9 by 9. So we have got closer still. Right? This is farther, this is nearer. Okay, now let's add one more term. P of x minus x to the power of 11 by 11. Now just observe, we have got closer. R of x, no, not R of x, Q of x plus x to the power of 13 by 13. Now just observe, right? Have we got closer? Now let's add one more. R of x is minus, now minus x to the power of 15 by 15. And now let's see, we got closer still. You have to look at the distance from this point to this point, this point to this point. And I'll add just one more because this is pretty repetitive. You can go to this geogebra.org and try out this. S of x plus x to the power of 17 by 17. Now, if you really want to observe this getting closer and closer business, let's remove all of these from the diagrams. So now this is our point. We have to get closer and closer to this using this Gregory series. So f of x, quite far. Of course, remember we are in decimals. Okay. Now add one term. You have to see this from here to here and here to here. This is closer now. Okay. Got closer still. Then we have got closer still. Closer, 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 and much more closer. Right? So which means you can keep getting closer and closer to this depending on how precise you want the value you want. Okay, so that's it. Bye.